The waterway is managed by Egypt, however is below a global treaty in order that its utilization is shared. The factitious canal in Egypt, which connects the Mediterranean Sea to the Pink Sea, is likely one of the world's most necessary cargo waterways, whereas the SUMED pipeline, which runs parallel to the Suez Canal, will allow some crude to proceed to circulate. Buckle up, Buttercup hat, which switch shirt. European and North American refiners will need to buckle up. Buttercup hat, which switch shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Buckle up, Buttercup hat, which switch shirt, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck, hoodie. All things pieced together by hearing multiple conversations within a week. I don't recall bribery of public officials or anything like that, though. We went on lockdown once because a man walked into the lobby with a shotgun. There were buckle up, Buttercup hat, which switch shirt the same time. We had people escape into our area in hysterics before, but I never saw the other product.